Hey guys, it's Joshua with PoolBots.com. Today, we're looking at the one thing every robotic pool cleaner should do: clean the water line. The water line of your pool is often called the tile line or scum line. At the water line, dirt, debris, and algae like to gather and build up. And this makes it annoying to clean by hand because it needs constant attention. This also means that if you buy a robotic pool cleaner to take the pool cleaning load off of yourself, you'll be very disappointed if the bot misses the area that takes up most of your time. Be careful of units that claim wall climbing though. It is not the same as waterline scrubbing. These other units will only climb the wall, such as the Nautilus CC Plus, and not actually scrub the waterline, which is very disappointing. Of those that actually can live up to their waterline cleaning name, we will recommend the Dolphin Premier and Sigma because they consistently attack and clean the waterline, as well as offer many other features that make them unbeatable. Be sure and check our deals on the Dolphin Premier at PoolBots.com. There, you'll often save big with instant coupons and free or discounted accessories like storage covers. Our staff is also standing by to help you pick the best robotic pool cleaner, all at an unbeatable price.